So I'm putting the another beads between the first and the second petal, and then second petal to the third. And then if you have a space here, you can add half of the petals here, however you would like. And you can do 1 layer, or you can do 2 layer. You can do 3 layer on the sunflowers, however you are going to do. So I'm gonna put it back into my collection. So all of your 40 gels and like 40 gels, it come in your a fancy VIP box. I have this box and a second box. Can I get the second collection? And each of your 40 gel set, it come with your 3D brush as well. I love it. It's have 12 color. This is the second. Which one am I missing? Oh, I'm missing my true black. My true black here is somewhere in. Don't worry about it. Like it later. All right, so thanks so much everyone for tuning in. So I'm gonna, sometimes the first getting into my brush is a lot, but don't worry now. So what happened is that is might be a lot of troubleshooting. It might be stick the residues on my brush. So I'm gonna pick it back up. So when you clear, it's going to stay absolutely on the nails. You don't have to worry. Sometimes it just pick up and it stick into my brush because of it has some of the sticker residues from the brush. So make sure you are going to clean it with alcohol and really gentle, like press it down. Okay, and for this one as well, and clean my brush. Picks up my 40. Press it down on the center first, to the left, to the right, but don't have to go too aggressive, okay? If you do too aggressive, you'll flatten it really, really much. You don't want it to happen. I just clean the brush again. So always make sure that to keep the tip of your brush, the 3D brush, really nice and clean to prevent from getting like any of the residues could pick up your 40. Okay. It's like a lot of fur. Put here for 60 seconds. You can using the tips and then draw. Look at that. I don't know where that other furs is come from. Maybe from my. Okay.